Hopefully this recording will be one of my shortest ever, looking at the steps that I want to follow. It's not very long, but it's a topic that I get a lot of email on, questioning how do I do this? And I think it's just because the feature itself is hidden well within the Access Reports properties, and so it can be hard to find sometimes. And it's just one small paragraph in the book, so it's kind of hard to find there, and one small paragraph in my notes. So I'll just add a recording, and hopefully there'll be one more step. I'm going to be using the report I created in the first two called Customer Orders 2. Open it up. Here's what it looks like right now. I've skipped the titles and all that kind of stuff because it's pretty straightforward. But I've grouped, I've added totals in the last recording. But notice that here under Eamon ATAC, he ordered 2 pizzas on the same day. One of the features that the Access Reports program allows you to do is hide duplicate values in a report. But the key part here is if you're going to hide duplicate values, you must include a sort on those duplicate values, and I do have that. Here I am in design view, or pardon me, layout view, grouping and sorting, and I have a sort by order date. So I can hide duplicate order dates because I do have a sort for duplicate order dates. This only occurs in the detail sections. You don't hide duplicate grouping. That's part of what grouping is all about. Jason Andorfer's name only shows up once. But he does have, or I can't scroll down, I should be able to. Scroll down, Eamon ATAC here does have 2 pizzas on the same date. And if you ordered 3 pizzas on the same date, it would show up 3 times. And some people feel that clutters up the report, and some of the book examples are even a little bit better where the data does clutter, all that redundant data does clutter. When we remove the duplicate values, what will happen is the first date will appear, the next one will appear blank, meaning that's the same date, and the next one if it was on the same date, and the next one until a new date is found. This may not be the greatest example, but it's really the only one that I have based on the sorting here. So how do I remove those duplicates? It's really pretty straightforward. I can click on the value, the field that I want to search in, and then I just need to go under formatting and search for hide duplicates. I believe it's very near the bottom. Here it is, hide duplicates, yes. And now if I scroll back down to Eamon Anderson, notice that that second date is gone. And if there had been 3-4 pizzas ordered on the same day, the 11/21 would only show up for the first record, and then it's hidden for subsequent records. So that's how you hide duplicate values. Key part, you have to sort by the field whose values you want to hide. That has to be part of your sorting. And then you click on it and simply set its property very near the bottom, hide duplicate values.